Here's a 2012 Lexus IS 250C. For those who refuse to follow, choose your fast lane, open the top, and feel the visceral connection between you and the road at the head of the pack. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, power retractable hardtop, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power tilting steering column, rear wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and manual transmission. Motor Trend reports there's not a brace or strut visible inside, and the effect is almost coupe-like. Lexus, performance in every detail. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value